Archaeologists have studied sizes of Egyptian skulls in an attempt to determine whether breeding occurred between different cultures. Listed below are the widths, millimeters, of skulls from 150 AD. Construct a 90% confidence interval estimate of the mean skull width. So here are the data for the individual skull widths. So we're going to go ahead and open this data up in the StatCrunch. Okay, so here's our column. Now, what we want to do is we're going to go to Stat, and we're going to select T-Stats because we're dealing with we want to be able to find the mean skull width, and that's what we're finding the confidence interval for. We're going to go to one sample, and because we have the total data, we want to make sure that we say with data, not with summary. So we're going to go to with data. We're going to select the column. And then from here, if we scroll down a little bit, what we want to do is we want to perform a confidence interval for that population mean. Now, what are we constructing? Well, we're constructing a 90% confidence interval estimate. So we're going to change the level to be 0.90 and then select compute. So let's copy our data into our notebook. So here you can see that we have our sample mean. Then we have the standard error. You can also see the degrees of freedom. And then we have our upper and lower limit. So with our upper and lower limit, and it says to round to 2 decimal places. So if we round this to 2 decimal places, it's going to give us 129.57 millimeters for the lower limit. And then for the upper limit, it's going to be 137.76 millimeters. Let's go ahead and put that in here. So we got 129.57 for the lower limit. And then the upper limit is 137.76. Let's check our answer, and there is our result.